Okay, my favorite people in the entire world. Welcome to a very special episode with Trips with Trey as we welcome you to Viva Las Vegas. Let's go, Viva Las Vegas. One more time, Viva Las Vegas. Yeah! Let's go! Alright, now my party people, now as soon as you land in Vegas, oh yeah, you know it's Vegas. We got the slot machine spinning, the vibes is high like the rollers. Just listen to these trade tips and y'all don't have to spend your whole life savings here now, alright? Okay, now currently called the Harry Reid International Airport. Now for my real Vegas heads, you know, it's really called the McCarran Airport, but we can call it that for my foreigners and tourists. For my LA people, you know the Westfield Culver City is really Fox Hills, but you know, that's for another video. Let's go. Now for my In-N-Out stands out there, I'm sorry, I'm only trying to help. Now this place in Vegas is called With Love Always. Now funny enough, With Love Always, when we came in, we actually got to meet the owner. He was just super down to earth, super cool, super chill guy, and just makes you want to support him. Now burgers and fries, I kid you not, 30 out of 10. Better than In-N-Out. And I'm from California. Now what? I swear this guy definitely has the secret Krabby Patty formula. Even look at the bathrooms, y'all. This is some iconic Vegas stuff right here. We got Elvis. I've seen Frank Sinatra, Michael Jackson, Tupac, Michael Jordan. Hey, let me know who y'all see. I actually have to take this video quite fast. There's people waiting on me in the bathroom. It's a small little place. We waited in line about not more than 10 minutes. It was kind of a long line. We went early in the morning, like around, let's say, as soon as they open. I think they open at around like maybe 9-10. While you're waiting, don't forget to like and subscribe. It takes a minute to make these videos, but I love y'all and I'll do it every second of the day. If that means I gain a new subscriber, a new friend, a new loyal confidant. And let's go, y'all. This is gonna be a unlimited part series because we just love Vegas that much. We're actually thinking about moving to Vegas, so we got some house hunting in here too, so stay tuned. Oh yeah, and I know you forgot, so don't forget to subscribe. Now if you're anything like me, I've gotta have a sweet with my savory, so we stopped at D's Donuts, literally a couple steps from the With Love Always right here in Centennial Hills, Vegas. I'm gonna be honest with you because that's what's gonna set me apart from all these other fake YouTubers who say everything's the best something they ever had, but also take my views, experiences, and opinions with a grain of salt, because I'm only one out of about like a billion people in this world. So the donuts were very aesthetically pleasing, lots of variety, lots of colors, lots of flavors to choose from. If I have to be honest, y'all, I ended up getting the maple circle glaze. To me, it was too dry. I'll give it about a 6 out of 10, but I think most people should like it. A lot of bread, so yeah, you get what you're paying for at least. Quick bit, anyone watch Pawn Stars with Chum Lee? Yeah, you already know he's about to trade some rare artifact for some burgers and fries. If you didn't know, Vegas is the city that never sleeps. This ball spear thing, also known as Orby, is a must-see view in Vegas. If you're staying somewhere, anywhere close to the strip, you're pretty much going to see this, but if you don't have a view of this, change your room, upgrade your room to a view of the spear. Seeing this and like waking up to this every day was almost like waking up to the sun. You never know how bright it's going to be, but you always know it's going to be there. It's on 24/7 and is also an entertainment venue. With 8 floors, 367 feet high, holding about 20,000 people plus floor, this is most deaf and entertainers' dream. I know they hold events such as concerts, shows, much more, I'm sure. We've never been in here, but as soon as we get back, we'll definitely make sure to catch a great show. I don't think they had anyone that or anything that we want to see just yet because it's made in 2023, it's 2025, so really new. I heard a couple names out there, maybe Beyonce, maybe some, you know, other huge artists. I'm not sure yet, but I know they done EDM. Not too big on EDM, but you never know. I'm down to try most things, so just stay tuned, y'all, and we'll get in there. Are you not entertained? If not, just watch the rest of this video. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell like ding. If this is not enough, I promise y'all we got way more coming. Stay tuned. We're now about to be looking at some houses in Summerlin. These are Pute homes. I thought I was just a Toll Brothers guy, but these really stole my heart. These models are called Caprock at Ascension in Summerlin, aka what they say the bougie part of Vegas. These are very centrally located in Summerlin, about 10 minutes away from downtown, about 20-30 minutes away from the strip. Good people, good vibes, good food, good views, and as you can see, it's right next to some golf courses, a park, a couple parks actually, a ballpark, just a lot to do around here in Summerlin. Alright, now as you can see, this is one of the first stops we made. This house is 2 stories. Forget the square feet, but as you can see, it's really big. Has a backyard, as you'll see later, a pool, 3 rooms, 3 baths, and yeah, look at the outside, y'all. Just beautiful. The pool is just as lavish as you'd expect it to be. Now, if you love the game of basketball as much as I do, then as you can see, this room is basketball themed for you. I promise y'all, if I would have had this room growing up, I would have been in the NBA right now. But that's unfortunately not how things work. But I do know for my future kids, this would definitely be a dream come true for them and me. So yeah, let me know your favorite part of the house in the comments. I know this would be most people's favorite parts, and it should be mine's, a home gym right in the middle of your crib. Now I'm not gonna lie y'all, I have not been to the gym as much as I should have been, but if it's in the crib, I will sleep in here, okay? So I'm gonna take y'all to my favorite feature of the house, y'all. You see the kitchen, the master bedroom, the backyard, also a secret guest house back there. I'm gonna take y'all down the hallway real quick, and surprise, surprise, guess what? A whole elevator lift. I swear I've thought of this before, but to see it in real life is just incredible. We got the floating stairs up here. Believe it or not, this house is just under $3 million. I'm from California, so that is a steal if you ask me. We've got a lot more houses and activities to tour y'all, so hey, let me know if y'all would purchase this house, and if you can't afford it, shoot, let me know how so I can learn how to. Alright, now let's switch gears real quick. Have y'all ever seen a drive-through lobster house? Yeah, me neither. So this is Angie's Lobster. Really only in Vegas would this idea ever come to life. We got the original and spicy honey lobster roll warm. To me, they're super juicy, especially for drive-through lobster. I don't know what I really expected, but I'll give it a 8 out of 10, especially for being the drive-through. Super good. Fries were okay, that's probably why I give it an 8, but besides the fries, I'll probably give it a 10 just for being there. And the butter came in these little pouches at around $8 a roll and a couple more for a combo. I mean, that is definitely a deal if you ask me. So y'all check out Angie's Lobster in Vegas. Also, quick trade tip, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. So I want to round up the video with a couple more views of the Spear. This is around December last year, and as you can see, there's a lot of seasonal themes going on. The Spear is constantly updating and constantly showing just new designs, new themes, new colors, just a little bit of everything. As you can see, I just thought it's so cool. I pretty much got everything in there. I do want to end the video off though on one of our favorite hotels on the strip. The link also connected to Harrah's and the Flamingo. They've added this brand new disco club. Crazy cool enough, they've been promoting this all over the strip, and we just happened to run right into it. It's at the beginning of the link. You can't miss it, especially coming through Harrah's by the strip where the Ferris wheel is at. As you can see, it's very decorative. A lot of candy. I think 70s theme. I'm born in the 90s, so y'all correct me if I'm wrong, but a lot of disco themes, as you can see. Reminds me of something like a Michael Jackson would go to, the Jackson 5 Soul Train type vibes, you know? We're gonna get right into the club real soon, y'all, but before that, I do want to talk about the service here. Service here was impeccable, and if you know me, I'm a big service guy, and you will know me if y'all just keep on tuning into the videos. As you and I get better at taking trips, a tip with trips for Trey is always tip your bartenders, valet, servers, you know, all of the above. Because y'all, if you take care of them, they will take care of you. I promise you that. It's like the phrase, happy wife, happy life. You know, it don't gotta be a wife, but, you know, don't take it literally, but hey. I guess one of my mantras is anything you can do for yourself but you're having someone else do for you, just throw them a couple extra dollars. You'll survive, I promise you. Just look at that drink, y'all. Fire. You know I had to throw a couple bucks just for the picture, you feel me? Now welcome to the party. As you can see, it is lit in here. We got the lights, camera, action, people, no egos, no bad vibes. Just people enjoying themselves for what it is. This is really unlike any club I've ever been to. No sections, no bottles, no hierarchy here. Just regular people who want to have a lot of fun. You know what I'm saying? Well, they also do performances here on special days, so I would just check the calendar. There's a theme bar right outside of here. This is truly a Vegas gym. Now watch out for part 2 and see why Cake Boss chicken wings are the best wings in the world. Bye! Toodaloo!